Welcome to our video on Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali is a traditional herbal supplement that has been used for centuries to improve male vitality, energy levels, and libido. But with all supplements, it's important to understand the potential benefits as well as the risks before adding it to your routine. In this video, we'll be diving into the research and breaking down what you need to know about Tongkat Ali before taking it. So, let's get started. Tongkat Ali is becoming increasingly popular as a natural way to enhance energy levels and improve male health. But with any supplement, it's important to know the facts before making a decision. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Tongkat Ali, including its benefits, side effects, recommended dosage, and cycle suggestions based on research. So, what is Tongkat Ali? Tongkat Ali, also known as Eurycoma longifolia, is a fascinating plant that is indigenous to the lush tropical regions of Southeast Asia. For generations, this plant has been highly prized by indigenous communities for its remarkable health benefits and therapeutic properties. With rich history that stretches back centuries, Tongkat Ali has been widely used in traditional medicine for its ability to improve energy levels, increase male libido, and enhance fertility. The plant's roots, bark, and stem contain a wealth of compounds that are believed to contribute to its medical properties, making it a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their overall well-being and vitality. Tongkat Ali has been the subject of numerous scientific studies in recent years, with researchers exploring its potential benefits for everything from sexual health and athletic performance to mood and immune function. Despite its long history of use, however, much remains unknown about this mysterious plant, and ongoing research is needed to fully understand its properties and applications. Nevertheless, Tongkat Ali remains one of the most highly regarded herbs in the world of natural medicine, with a loyal following of users who swear by its efficiency and potency. Benefits of Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali is a traditional herb with a rich history of use in Southeast Asia for its various health benefits. Research has shown that Tongkat Ali may have several benefits for male health, making it a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their well-being. One of the primary benefits of Tongkat Ali is its ability to boost testosterone levels. Testosterone is a key hormone in male health, responsible for maintaining muscle growth, energy levels, and libido. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decrease, which can lead to a decline in physical and sexual performance. Tongkat Ali has been shown to help increase testosterone levels, leading to improved energy, endurance, and sexual function. In addition to boosting testosterone, Tongkat Ali has also been shown to improve energy levels and reduce fatigue. This can help individuals perform better, whether in the gym or in their daily lives. Tongkat Ali may also improve physical performance, allowing individuals to train harder and see better results from their workout routine. Furthermore, Tongkat Ali has been shown to improve sexual function in men. It may help increase libido, improve sexual performance, and enhance overall sexual satisfaction. This can be particularly beneficial for men experiencing sexual dysfunction, such as erectile dysfunction. In addition to its benefits for male health, Tongkat Ali may also have a number of other health benefits. Some studies suggest it may help improve cognitive function, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve immune function. Overall, Tongkat Ali is a versatile herb with a wide range of health benefits, making it an attractive option for those seeking to enhance their overall well-being. Now, for the potential side effects of Tongkat Ali. While Tongkat Ali has been used for centuries in traditional medicine with few reported side effects, it's important to be aware of potential risks. The most commonly reported side effect is gastrointestinal distress, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Other reported side effects include headache, dizziness, and anxiety. It's also important to note that Tongkat Ali can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and anti-anxiety medications. If you're taking any prescription medications, it's essential to talk to your doctor before taking Tongkat Ali. Additionally, there is limited research on the long-term effects of taking Tongkat Ali, so it's important to use caution and follow recommended dosages. As with any supplement, it's always best to consult with your doctor before adding it to your routine to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. Recommended dosage. When it comes to Tongkat Ali, the recommended dosage can vary based on specific products you're using. In general, the recommended dosage is 500 milligrams per day, taken in 1 or 2 doses. It's important to follow the recommended dosage and not exceed it, as taking too much can lead to unwanted side effects. In terms of cycles, Tongkat Ali is typically taken for 4 to 6 weeks, followed by a 2-week break. This cycle helps to ensure that the body doesn't become too accustomed to the supplement and that you can get the maximum benefits from each cycle. In conclusion, Tongkat Ali is a traditional supplement that has been used for centuries to improve male health. It has several potential benefits, including increased energy levels, improved libido, and increased testosterone levels. However, it's important to be aware of the potential side effects, recommended dosage, and cycle suggestions based on research. Before taking Tongkat Ali, it's always best to consult with your doctor to make sure it's right for you. Thanks for watching this video on Tongkat Ali. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Tongkat Ali, be sure to leave a comment below.